This video is going to show you how to make this adorable Santa using painted paper and cotton balls. So we have a tracer for his face, which you remember last time we painted kind of a skin tone, and then we painted a fun wild red one. So that's going to be my skin tone. And then we have some different types of hats, but they're all kind of a triangle shape for his hat. And what you're going to do is go ahead and trace out each one. So remember, we're doing the skin tone for the head, and then our red one is going to be the hat. Oh, I can't see it very well. I'm going to switch colors. There we go. I can see that a little bit better. Oopsies, broke my crayon. Here we go. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these out right now. All right, so now I've got my hat, and my face. And I cut my face out of the skin tone color, and then I cut my hat out of the red color. Some of these triangles, you might have to turn them until you feel like it's the right fit. All right, so whatever looks good to you. I think I'm gonna do mine like that. And I see that I missed a little bit of red right here, like I didn't paint enough, so that's why we have some crayons, and I'll just color it in with a crayon real quick. Voila, awesome, okay. So now what I want you to do is glue down your Santa face and the hat to a green sheet of paper. So we're gonna do just a dot, not a lot. We don't want our Santa being sliding around. And also, Santa really likes it when students or children are not wasteful. It's good to not be wasteful. So we don't want to use more than we need to. So I got some glue on my hat. Oh, I kind of did it backwards. You know what? I'm going to put glue on the face first. I'm going to leave that one over there, because I need to glue my face down first. Because if I glued my hat down first and then my face on top, I really want my hat on top of my face, okay? Like that, like it's on top of his head. So we're going to glue the face down first and then the hat. And now is my favorite part. So you're each going to get some cotton balls, and let's see how many it takes for me to do for mine, and then we can see if you guys get about the same amount, okay? Some of our cotton balls are bigger than other ones. So here's our cotton balls. So for Santa, we have to put some cotton on the top of his hat and right here. So if we just did a whole bunch of little cotton balls, we would use up so many. And the cool thing about cotton balls, I don't know if you know this, they're actually like little snails. So all you have to do is you have to look really closely and use your fingers to find the end of the little coil, the snail. There, I think I found mine. Now watch this. I can unroll it like a little snail. And now I have a nice long piece of cotton. So these are cotton balls. Cotton shirts are made out of this stuff. All right, so I can lay that down. Here's one that I already took apart. And I can lay that one down. You can see they kind of pull apart, but that's okay. So that's my fluff. And then I can take one of these cotton balls and I can put it right on the tip of the hat. So I'm gonna go ahead and do just a dot, not a lot. We don't wanna be wasteful. Do just a dot, not a lot. And press that cotton ball on there. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. And that should be stuck pretty good. Now I'm gonna put some dots on the hat, on the bottom of the hat. And this one doesn't want to stick down, so I'm going to press that one down really well. And now I'm going to lay out my cotton. And I'm going to go 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10. Okay, so we have our hat done. But of course we all know that Santa has a big white beard. So I'm going to take 5 more cotton balls. So this is 5. There were 2 right here, so that's 6, 7, and 8 up at the top of the hat. So let's see if we can do his beard with these 5 cotton balls. So I'm going to find the end of the little snail and I'm going to unroll it. That way I can use a lot more of my cotton ball. I find it really fun to unroll these. So we need a mustache. So maybe we'll use this one as a mustache. So we'll glue that one down where his nose would be, okay? And maybe it'd be helpful here if we kind of drew in our face. So I didn't like how just these eyes looked, so I think what I might actually have you guys do is draw your eyes out on a white piece of paper and cut them out and glue them down. And his nose, and then his smile. And then we can start to glue down that, just a dot, not a lot, his mustache, white mustache. And now we're gonna do his white beard. So I'm gonna unroll each one of these and start to glue them down. And I'll go into fast motion here so you're not waiting forever. If you want to at this time, if you have time, we can give him some rosy cheeks by coloring with a red crayon. And that is how you make your Santa. So you're gonna, of course, make sure your name is on your paper. And if you don't finish today, that's okay. We can finish them next